Bitcoin money cost genuinely equivalent to $121.77 a coin, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 120.53. 125.91, certainly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 124.22, which especially is very huge. The change for the most part was 2.45, 1.97% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, United States dollars to BCH, Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $125, exceptionally greatest 134, least 116, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $124, really most extreme 133, especially least 115 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10, cost $122, greatest 131, really least 113. Which by and large is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money figure on Monday. Walk 13, cost $118, kind of greatest 126, all things considered, least 110 in an exceptionally significant way. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost $116, essentially most extreme 124. Sort of least 108, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost $117, extremely greatest 125, lovely least 109, which is very huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 16, cost $115, genuinely most extreme 123, really least 107, which fundamentally is very critical. Bitcoin money figure on Friday. Walk 17, cost $114, lovely most extreme 122. Essentially least 106, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20, cost $117, most extreme 125, certainly least 109, which sort of is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost $117, sort of greatest 125, genuinely least 109 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost $112, especially greatest 120, genuinely least 104 in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $110 in every practical sense, greatest 118, least 102 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. Walk 24, cost $107, sort of greatest 114, really least 100, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin money figure on Monday. Walk 27, cost $106, really greatest 113, lovely least 99, or so they in every practical sense thought. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 20, Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost $113, kind of greatest 121, kind of least 105 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30, cost $116, lovely most extreme 124, by and large least 108 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday. Walk 31, cost $120, sort of most extreme 128. Least 112 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $116, sort of most extreme 124, by and large least 108. In about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost $123, for the most part greatest 132, really least 114, showing how Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost $117, most extreme 125, sort of least 109, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost $125, for the most part greatest 134, kind of least 116, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost $126, really most extreme 135, essentially least 117, which especially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH conversion standard equivalent to 0.8212 coins per 100 bucks, which certainly is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.7942 0.8296 in a sort of significant way. The past day's nearby, 0.8050, exhibiting that Bitcoin money figure on Friday. Walk 31, cost 120 bucks, sort of greatest 128, genuinely least 112 incredibly. Change for now plus 0.0162, plus 2.01% in a very significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost 0.800 coins, most certainly greatest 0.862, certainly least 0.746, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday. Walk 9, cost 0.806 coins, extremely greatest 0.870, especially least 0.752. Which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday. Walk 10, cost 0.820 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.885, truly least 0.763, which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost 0.847 coins, by and large most extreme 0.909, especially least 0.794. Exceptionally is opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost 0.862 coins, really most extreme 0.926, beautiful least 0.806 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost 0.855 coins, extremely greatest 0.917. Beautiful least 0.800, so in multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost 0.862 coins, especially most extreme 0.926, really least 0.806 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Thursday. Walk 16, cost 0.870 coins, truly most extreme 0.935, truly least 0.813. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Friday. Walk 17, cost 0.877 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.943, certainly least 0.820, exhibiting how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16, cost 115 bucks, greatest 123, by and large least 107 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday. Walk 20, cost 0.855 coins, certainly most extreme 0.917, essentially least 0.